I'm back. I'm back. Time to take her off and eat up. So actually, this hair was kind of cute, but time for change. Time for something new. It's a fall, so we coming with fall colors. So I went to the hair store just now. Got me this to lighten my hair a little bit more, like the roots and stuff that growing out. I got two just in case. So I'm gonna do that. And then, because I don't trust myself with the bleach and all of that, I was watching a YouTube video on like colors I feel like I want to use, like what color I'm really going for, and I got these three. So I got Adore 38, which is the sunrise orange, 30, which is ginger, and 56, which is Cajun spice. If anybody know, I did this already, and they give kind of like reddish. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding. I don't want this getting dirty. I'm gonna put on some type of shirt I don't care about because it can get real messy around here. So let me take this off. Ooh, child. So my sister did these braids, right? Tell me why they stop all over. That's embarrassing. Back to the color. I love this color, I'm gonna lie to you. But time for something new. Change the shirt. And I have one section out already. We're gonna start with one box first, and then if I need to, then I'll mix up the other one, but it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put a plastic over it for like 10 minutes. Oh, I missed a spot. The ends are already blonde, but the roots, they kind of giving brown. I don't know. So we can see. We're gonna mix these two together now and apply it. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. That's when it shifts to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Bip, bip, Yeah, they give red through like reddish orange, but the roots give ginger. So it's like an ombre effect type shit. I'm gonna kind of like blow it out. Then I'm gonna be back. Love me a fresh new color, you feel me? Conversations in the dark, y'all. All his hair is giving the snip again. Yeah, me gonna cut it, but it definitely, bro, it's growing back. It's getting long, but long for me. It's definitely growing. I'm gonna keep it in protective styles though, because who's gonna be doing their hair a lot? Not me. But right now it's giving like red, right? It's giving red, but then boom, like it's an ombre effect, you feel me? Ombre, but it's real good. Conversations in the dark with a natural lighting, you feel me? Anyways, that was the end. I really like it, but I gotta change it. There's a way. But you know, it's a little something cute for the fall. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Like, what are you doing if you're not subscribed? Like, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post. Like, you know, you can be the first one to